so she feeling mad.
Now please turn the screen there, brother.
Hey, man.
Okay, you know the deal, guys.
Wait,
A little chuckling is allowed, but
Wait, our camera.
No talking.
Our camera is.
steady on.
Okay.
There we go.
All right. Are we nearly there?
I think he had too much melons. Hey, my shades. Sister Bettina.
All right. Guys,
Relax, man.
what's better than one Larry? Two Larrys.
But watch this. It's very, very hot today. It's the hottest day
No, it's
of the
fucking
year
hot.
in fucking Johannesburg.
And in Cape Town. Cape Town is hot as well.
No, it's not. It's like 25 degrees. Shut up. Wait, where did you get these fucking glasses?
Those are so ugly. They are so ugly.
Where did you get these?
What happened to the other side?
Come on, sunglasses.
First of all, big shout out to Miller.
Oh,
We did like a crazy
we
house
do
party.
a party,
Shout out to everyone
we
who
do
popped
a
up.
party.
It was crazy. You know what I mean? We're up in there. Up in there.
Fetu.
This brother was like chewing everybody.
When I look to my left,
Fuck, how many times did you have? Never mind.
What? You need to relax, bro.
when I look to my
many-
left, people are.
Hey, yeah.
And I look to my right, people are. Hey. And I look to my upper side, they people in the rocks.
And for everyone who doesn't know what was going
there was
on
a
at the
midget.
party,
The midget was trying.
Episode 4, season 2.
He keeps cutting me, but I'll
Episode 34. Get it with it. There's people that are like literally losing their minds right now. And Tyrese happens to be one of them.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Guys, what's
That is song.
Tyrese's hit song like?
Every time I try to leave, some keep pulling me back. Everything's gonna be
oh
alright.
fuck, is he featured on that song?
Every time I try to leave,
No, the main part.
That's
Everything's gonna be alright.
So, Tyrese, right? He's going through like an emotional breakdown, right?
Cause everything's gonna be alright.
And during this emotional breakdown, right? He took to Facebook, right? And he was just telling people that, you know, guys, I'm so upset, I'm so sad, my life is
He was
going
crying on
and
camera.
what did you want to tell him that?
Everything's gonna be
Tyrese is going
alright.
through a custody battle.
Like a heavy one.
So he cries and apparently doesn't have money.
Yeah.
Apparently he's fighting for everyone from Fast and the Furious, even though they're making like the 19th one.
And Fast and the
So
Furious.
clearly Tyrese will do whatever for the money because apparently those motherfuckers don't get along at all.
Cause everything's gonna be alright.
So apparently Will Smith and Jada said they'll give him money. They'll give him 5 million. Look, stay off the fucking internet. Deal with your shit in private like a grown ass fucking man.
Yeah.
And stop posting videos. And then he posted a video telling us about them.
Thinking that
On
everything's gonna be alright.
And why did who films themselves crying? I tell you who else did that, Jabupule. Jabupule lost a friend of his and he went to Instagram and posted a video going, my friend, Isn't
Isn't that Donald?
No!
No, nigga.
Donald.
No, it wasn't.
Wasn't he
No, it was
over
definitely
there?
Jabupule.
What?
You trying to like spunk people Donald.
Tyrese, if someone gives you 5 million, first of all, and they say, okay guys, here's 5 million, please stay off social media. The one thing you just don't do is go on Instagram and post that someone gave you 5 million.
Someone snapped this picture of us in prayer. Of course they didn't. How old does Tyrese think we are?
Everything.
Like someone was walking around and said, hey, there's Tyrese praying.
Let's take a picture of Tyrese praying.
Don't disturb the prayer. And I'm sure Tyrese is going, Rarawa Rona. Yoko le Khodimo. Lina la gagwe. Snap. And then Tyrese heard the snap. It's, hey!
Bring that here.
I'm mid blessings here.
Bring that here.
Bring that phone here. Oh shit, that's a good picture.
That's a good, yeah, let's keep it.
Hey, send me this picture.
But look at this. Look at how this guy goes to court, bruh.
This is why you're gonna lose this custody
This is
battle.
how you're going to lose the court case.
You're going to a
You're
Jay-Z
going there-
concert. This motherfucker is wearing those shirts. Those deadbeat dead shirts. You ain't getting a kid back, Tyrese.
Imagine your friend puts a shark in his pool. Where must you swim? Guys, Nasty C just bought a shark. And he put it in his swimming
And
pool.
I think that is a fucking boss move.
What?
A motherfucking shark, nigga.
It's a selfish ass move.
Niggas
It's-
out
it's
here
selfish
buying,
as hell.
niggas out here buying cars and,
Yeah, where
and
must
houses.
you swim, Sipo?
Forget
Yeah,
that,
okay, yeah,
nigga.
Sipo, but where
Have
must...
you ever seen a shark
okay, yeah,
in a
but-
nigga pool?
Okay, sharp, Sipo, I'm visiting you now. Where must I swim?
There's no swimming.
No, why?
That movie Colombiana, that drug dealer had sharks in his pool.
But where do they swim, Sipo?
There's no swimming, obviously.
But where must we swim,
I'm
Sipo?
swimming, baba. It's like buying a tiger. People out here buying puppies. Fuck your puppies, nigga. I got a tiger in my backyard. What's up?
Puppies.
Why? Because who has shark money? Do you know who to call to buy a shark?
No.
Nobody has the number. Who do you call? If you want a shark, who do you call?
I wanted a monkey.
You don't have a shark number.
Yo,
first of
everyone
all.
got a monkey number for me. I want a pet
You know what
monkey.
to buy? Puppy, fish, lizards, snakes. Who do you call if you want to buy a shark?
Yeah.
That's why you do that shit, because nobody knows who to call, nigga.
Sip was right.
How do you think he found this number though?
That's the boss
Yo,
thing
my
about
nigga.
this whole thing,
Yo,
nigga.
my nigga, what's up?
Sip was right.
I'm looking to buy a shark.
That's why Michael Jackson was buying
What's the
giraffes. He was bored in Hollywood. People out here with their stupid dogs said, I'm going to buy a fucking giraffe. Who do you know who to call to buy giraffe? You need giraffe money.
Crazy news about animals. Lion King, new cast announced.
No. You guys, Americans don't know the words and you guys don't know the words.
No, but remember, Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
It means
what a wonderful
it
phrase.
means there's no worries. Like
the rest of your
when I moved to Joburg, I knew because someone Akina Matata. I'm like,
Yeah, but we're just saying how Americans
You
say
have lots of problems. Bro.
Hakuna Matata.
You're literally telling me about your problems, right?
I paid so much.
I hate that they cast Beyonce, first of all. Everyone else is cool. Beyonce whispers when she talks.
What? What?
Oh, shoot a picture.
Listen.
Gonna shoot a picture, Jay-Z. Jay-Z must get so annoyed at the house.
Things within, the time need within to find relief.
Jay-Z, please wash the dishes.
Ah, John Kani is in there. Rafiki, who's Rafiki? I know a wrestler named Rafiki. Remember Rafiki, the wrestler?
Wait,
You're kidding me.
He was cocked.
What did she say to Jay-Z? What did she say?
Jay-Z, when are you gonna wash the dishes?
Who's JC? JC LaRue. Who's JC?
Okay, what's up for the third time today?
Who's JC?
I'm very sorry to the Beehive. I know they're gonna come after us after that one, but that was a good one. That was
Come for me, Beehive. I'll be into all the pattern.
It's a Lion King.
What?
It's a lion.
What, nigga?
There's no bees. There's no bees in Lion King.
There's the queen bee.
Yes.
Oh, what on?
No.
What's wrong with you?
You're right.
This is King Bee.
Yeah.
Queen Bee's going on here.
Yeah, you're right.
Does Monarch have a king? The world is yours. Monarch is yours. Paparazzi.
You've offered him.
Wow, where are we? Where are we?
I don't even know
Can
what we're
someone
talking
take
about
us back to Lion King? Whoa.
He's thinking about paparazzi, but there's folk in South Africa.
A big shout out to John Carney, bro.
And James Joel look the same. It's actually like they look exactly the same.
They look like brothers a little bit.
Yeah.
James Earl Jones.
Oh yeah, kinda, yeah. Yo, but big shout out to John Carney. What's up? Like,
Glover's
what's
doing
up?
Simba.
Yo, childish
Anyway,
Gambino.
I'm looking forward to not watching this movie, I have to say.
Check my bass off.
I'm just happy
Lion
that I
King.
get to show Jordan Lion King. You know what I mean? And it's gonna be like current.
Like the
You
old
can
ones
show
like
him.
Yeah, but the old one is like
Jordan
gonna be
doesn't
like.
care. Meek Mill.
Oh my
Sent
God,
out
Meek
about
Mill.
to Meek Mill.
You know, you came back with some
What?
nice music.
Sentence. Why is he sentenced?
Yeah,
Sentence
he-
what?
For violating his probation.
Yeah.
What probation did he have?
Literally.
What's a probation?
It's when you have to go to jail, but you're not now.
Now they're saying you're supposed to be in jail, but okay, go home, but if you just misbehave,
Fuck
then
you,
you'll go.
Fuck you for asking me that cuck.
So he violated his probation, guys. You know what he did? He was riding his dirt bike on the streets of New York.
Was the bike
Doing,
dirty?
you know how these guys in Philadelphia like doing
Yeah.
those stunts with the bike. He was doing that in the streets of New York and he got caught with the police. That's how he violated. Literally, he's going to jail for 2 years for popping a wheelie.
Our first music video review for season 2.
I didn't know about Papa Penny until he had the reality show.
What?
Like,
Yeah,
I didn't know he
good.
existed.
Like,
You know Papa Penia, hey.
I don't know, someone's father.
What
What is that?
That sounds like every other.
Yeah.
Music video review. Alright. Alright. Slow mo.
Oh, Papa Penny's out this bitch. What you
Alright.
gonna do with it?
Gold
Gold
bone.
I'm not black, I'm a gold bone. You like say,
I'm a gold bone.
What is your car?
what is your car?
I'm a gold car.
He's puss dog, but
What is your car? I'm a gold car.
I'm a gold car. No, Papa Penny.
African American, you're a gold car. African,
Yo.
American,
Oh, who are these? Whose girlfriends are these? Come get your bad bitches.
all the African woman.
And girls will do whatever for the cash.
I would
eh?
break up with my girlfriend.
Even if Papa Benny video, right?
over.
Papa Benny is your boyfriend.
Yeah,
now.
yeah, you can
What's
have
that? Are you joking? I'm very concerned about the video girls in this and where their lives are headed.
Someone needs to save these girls.
Nah, someone needs to come take these girls home. All right, Microwave Boys episode 34, aka season 2, episode 4.
Yeah, it was
Hottie of the week is Jade Kelly Wilson. No,
Yo, JKW. JKW. Jade Kelly Wilson.
She's from Cape Town.
Yes.
She's
Yes.
colored.
Pagas Park, do you know her?
Nah, I don't.
Of course, she's too hard for you.
Nah, does she speak like us?
Nah, son.
Okay, Jade Kelly Wilson.
Yep. Beach picture, left, go up.
Nah, she's
no.
not a goldie ball.
Nanny 911 hit me. Hit my line.
Hey, I need some babysitting.
So what's up with girls with babies? What do you
I
mean?
got some kids, you can babysit.
No? What are you saying?
I'm so dirty. Oh my god,
What
I'm
did
so
you say?
sorry,
What did you
Jade.
say?
Jade, don't block me. Hey,
Oh,
click.
she's got curly hair.
No, she definitely speaks like us.
Click.
Why,
Click.
bruh?
Absolutely not. Click on that picture,
Stop
bro.
doing
Why
that
would I
shit.
don't understand?
Sorry.
Why?
Every week, bro.
Is that what you need to
sorry.
do this, huh?
That's not her.
Oh, what a mess we made. It is her. Hey, now you see.
I love
Kelly!
her curly hair.
Wee.
I love her curly hair, bro. Like,
Uh-huh.
I've got a thing for girls with curly hair.
Piercing. Oh, Kelly, you naughty and nice.
so
huh?
naughty also.
Naughty and nice.
And spice and everything nice. But who's that screw that she's with there?
I know those guys, both of them.
Yo, shout out to Jade Kelly Wilson.
Jade Kelly
One
Wilson,
word.
I'll be in Cape Town sooner.
Yeah, I'll be there for New Year's Eve. You know what I mean? So,
I'll
you
be
know,
there earlier.
One word. Jade Kelly Wilson. Make sure you guys follow her.
Tight.
And you know,
It's like
Zayd-
Sibu there commenting. Yeah, when I Sibu. Yeah, when I. So the party we threw this past weekend
Yeah.
with Miller is a challenge that we have with them. Ourselves versus Kapo.
Couple and then
versus,
someone else.
Versus Numuzi.
What is wrong?
No, we're not
Versus,
supposed to make.
Man. And Numuzi. And the challenge is very simple. All three of us get 5,000 rand to throw an amazing party.
We'll bleep her name.
We went first. We threw an amazing party. We've obviously won.
Gak amazing body.
And next up, I think it's Kapo, and then of course Numuzi. So you guys just need to use our hashtag MGDXMBoys. Use that hashtag to comment on the Miller, the Miller Instagram page, which is MGD_South Africa.
Keep
Just
following
go
it,
leave that
man.
hashtag, like that picture, continue commenting. For those of you who came to the party, we hope you had a good time. If you haven't commented on it again, use that hashtag, get us that money, because when we win the competition, eventually we get to throw Miller's year-end party.
Imagine our year-end party.
And you guys are all gonna be invited, so it's gonna be amazing. Bigger venue,
But
bigger budget.
subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you aren't invited. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to Anacarium.
Yeah, we reached 7,000 subscribers last week. So that's
What?
amazing.
What? We're killing the game.
Let's quickly go to 8,000.
No, 10. Let's go to the top. No, let's always say that we take it to the top, you know what I mean? Don't forget the nah I mean.
Know what I mean?
Anyway, I'm Muchi for the baby.
Yeah, I'm Laryngitis.
And I am
And together we have a micro.
Wait.
Boys, we out of this
But bitch, Pagamisa Bob Tulani, Eric Gonyama, follow me. Fuck your rest.
Numbers on the board. For the security clearance, all of my niggas are careless. All of my goonies are ready. We all going in, and you know that we fearless. Fuck your whole crew disappearing. We give a fuck about the parents. When the money is up, we gon' do it so different. You know that my linen's the rarest. I'm so nice with these lyrics. I'm painting these pictures so vivid. This shit is apparent. I've been schooling these niggas since I was a